I will talk about how can you share on your Star Walk 2 app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on share. Then it's going to take you to next step here. And here can you click on this sign. So when you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you share it with your another friends and another apps on your app. So that's all you have to do. Just click on it here, then it's going to share with your friends in another apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.